Have you ever wondered why some women experience a decline in their desire for intimacy? Let's uncover the factors contributing to this and discover a natural way to revive passion and love in your life. Understanding female frigidity. Female frigidity, though less talked about, is a prevalent issue affecting many women. It's not just about a lack of interest, but a complex interplay of physical, mental, and emotional factors. Factors affecting women's libido. Physical and mental health. Women's health is crucial for a fulfilling life, yet it often takes a backseat due to various responsibilities. Poor health can lead to hormonal imbalances and low energy and even affect the nervous system, contributing to frigidity. Psychological stress. Stress manifests in various ways, impacting mood, temperament, and overall mental well-being. These psychological issues can dampen the desire for intimacy and lead to relationship challenges. Partner-related factors. Health issues such as erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation in partners can also affect a woman's sexual satisfaction, gradually diminishing her interest in romance. The power of herbal supplements. Discover Kamni capsules, a natural solution packed with herbs to address these concerns and revitalize your health and intimacy. Kamni capsules benefits. Hormone balance. These capsules correct hormonal imbalances, improving gland functions and metabolic rates, which are crucial for overall well-being and energy levels. Psychological wellness. By promoting a calm mind and reducing stress-related issues, Kamni capsules enhance mental health, leading to better sleep and mood stability. Physical well-being. Improved immunity and relief from common health issues like infections and allergies keep you healthy and in the mood for romance. Sexual enhancement. These capsules combat vaginal dryness, increase sensation, and improve libido, resulting in more pleasurable intimate experiences and satisfying orgasms. Living a fulfilling life with Kamni capsules. Kamni capsules offer a holistic approach to women's health and intimacy. They address underlying issues naturally, without side effects, ensuring long-lasting results and a healthy lifestyle. Don't let frigidity or health concerns hinder your happiness. Try Kamni capsules from ayurvedresearch.com to revive passion, intimacy, and love in your life. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.